June 21st is celebrated as the International Yoga Day. We all get stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed at some point of time in our lives. Yoga not only does our physical healing but also mentally and most importantly spiritually. So today let's look at three amazing and very effective breathing techniques to help curb stress and anxiety and lower those cortisol levels and kind of reduce overthinking. That's like, calming the quick, rapid thinking patterns so that we get in a balanced state. Now, these techniques are very simple to follow. Ideally, I recommend you to do it in the morning or before sleeping. They are really helpful. Namaste and welcome. I'm Rachna Pednekar, founder Drishti Manthan. On my channel, I post content on travel, motivation, and mental health. Well, let's begin. Technique number one, simple equal breathing. In this technique, you close your eyes and take equal breaths. That is, inhale from your nose for the count of 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then equally on the count of 4 seconds, exhale. So, equally inhale on 4 counts, that is for 4 seconds, and equally exhale for 4 counts, that is for 4 seconds. It's simple breathing technique. It's a very foundational technique that helps us prepare for meditation, and it instantly activates our parasympathetic nervous system, thus getting our body and mind in a relaxed state. Technique number two, Bhramari Pranayam, that's humming bee technique, humming bee breathing technique. Now again, this is a very simple technique, and this technique is highly recommended before sleeping because it helps curb sleep disorders. It gives you a good sleep. It increases your concentration and focus and kind of also gets your mind into the relaxed state. So how do we do it? Place your thumb into your ears, and then the point is we need to close our senses. So we close our ears, then our mouth, next to the nostrils, above our eyelids, and on the forehead. And then you breathe and you do the humming bee sound like this. Inhale, and while exhaling, get that humming sound out. For example, inhale and exhale. So you get that humming sound into your head, and that really relaxes you down. One thing that we need to keep in mind is when we are inhaling, take slow, steady breaths. Don't breathe in haste. Enjoy your breathing. That's the magic. Well, last but not the least, technique number three, Anulom Vilom. That's nothing but alternate nostril breathing. Well, how do we do Anulom Vilom? Now, this technique looks a little bit complicated, but once you get into practice, it's very simple. I'll show you stepwise. All right. First, so take this position. Then block your right nostril first. All right. Then inhale slowly from your left nostril. Block your left nostril. Exhale slowly from your right nostril. Then inhale from your right nostril. Block your right nostril. And exhale slowly from your left nostril. Let's do it again. Inhale from your left nostril. Close your left nostril. And slowly and steadily Exhale from your right nostril. Again, inhale from your right nostril. Close your right nostril and exhale from your left nostril. Do this repetitively for around 5 to 6 counts initially, and it really relaxes you down. It just regulates your nervous system. So this was about it. Simple yet super effective and instant stress relieving techniques. Try it out and tell me the results. Remember, you are a special gift of God into this world. Heal yourself, heal the people, heal the environment, because only you and you have the power. Stay positive, stay smiling, and stay tuned to this channel for regular such interesting interactions. In case if you have any specific topic that you want me to cover, please write in your comments and tell me which is your favorite technique and also what's the topic that you would like me to talk about. Have a blessed day. See you next time. Namaste.